Okay, so it looks like I will be recording this video outside, so I apologize for any wind or animals or insects or anything like that. But what I did want to announce to everybody is that there has been a really big update to YouTube Vanced, and that is now the capability to use YouTube Music through them, which is huge. It's just humongous. If you know what YouTube Vanced is, the regular one, it's just this guy up here, and you can do everything you can do in YouTube, just without any ads, and in the video, and you can turn the screen off and listen to whatever music or the video that's playing. And now, finally, if you have YouTube Vanced, you will go to the Vanced Manager, and in there, this is what happened for me, is the music icon popped up, and it said to install. I did that. I believe I did also update YouTube Vanced as well, or maybe Micro G, one of them, but either way, make sure they're all updated. And then I thought it would be similar to the icons that they already had. Like you can see the one that says YouTube and the one that says Vanced Manager look very similar. But I actually did not have YouTube Music on my phone at the time, and it's still installed like this, where the icon is the regular YouTube Music icon. So when you go into here, you can literally do anything that YouTube Music has to offer except for downloading. That's it. So, alright, so let's go to this Machine Gun Kelly album. And this is really nice because now with this you can listen to the whole album without any without any ads in the songs, and you can turn the phone off as well. Let's see here. Okay. Alright. And I won't play it for long. Okay. And let's just try it again for the last time. Okay. Up here, download. And nothing happens. That's the whole thing. Like, download, whether I'm on Wi-Fi, whether I'm on 4G LTE, nothing will happen. If I go to my library, there shouldn't be anything there. There'll just be my music. That's my music that I've already put on here is in here. But anyway, the long story short of this whole video is, yes, YouTube Vanced has finally done it with the YouTube Music app. And if you haven't used the YouTube Music app, it is fantastic. And now it's even better because you can test it out by listening to music with the screen off and also not being interrupted by any ads whatsoever. So find a playlist, find an album that you want to listen to, whatever it is, and that's it. So, yeah, you can't put them on your phone, oh well. But at least the YouTube Vanced, the regular YouTube Vanced and now the music application side of it, are both free to use. So there's really there can't be any complaints at all. So, as always, I just have to make sure that I say I do highly recommend that you do try YouTube Premium, which includes YouTube and YouTube Music as well, and you can download songs. But at least with YouTube Vanced, you can listen to music, you can play songs or videos without advertisements, and whatchamacall? Did I say this already? And turn the phone off while you're listening to it. So, yeah, a lot of cool features and a lot of cool stuff they're coming out with. So, Big time kudos to the creators of this and the people that have kept YouTube Vanced going. So, alright, that's all I have. It was just that very simple update. YouTube Music is now available under YouTube Vanced. So, links will be in the description. Alright, guys. Talk to you soon. Love you.